Hello everybody, Greg here from Two Old Guys with Crossbows, and for today's video I thought I'd take a walk and show you what the garden's looking like. Looks like it's going to be an early harvest. I just harvested, dug up a potato plant, got a bunch of potatoes and peas, or picked a bunch of them yesterday. A lot of them are ready already. Beans are growing, tomatoes have started. Let's go have a look. Well, as I said, I dug up a potato plant and had a couple pounds of potatoes off of it. They're not huge yet. Some nice new potatoes. Here's a quick look. There's a row of potatoes there. See, the onions are growing in the back. They're ready to come out too. Looks like an early harvest on them. Carrots are doing well. I just thinned a bunch of them out the other day. Today is very smoky and cloudy. But here's the peas. Let's see if we can see the pea pods hanging there, but down towards the back and in the middle there's a lot of them that are actually ready. I picked a bunch. Cucumbers flowering. Cubes aren't started yet, but they're growing. Over to the beans. One-handed. Oh, got some beans growing and starting. Green beans. Tomatoes. Lots of blossoms on the tomatoes. We're going to have a lot of tomatoes this year. Down here you can see they're growing. This is more cucumbers. This one I put a fence because I hear cucumbers like to climb. So is he. Those ones are on the ground. These ones are climbing. We'll see what produces a better crop. And I have more potato plants over here that didn't do so well. They're pretty small. But they should still produce a few potatoes. I don't know if that's focusing or not. But that's my garden this year. And it seems to be coming along nicely. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, yes, and here are the sugar beets. I pulled a bunch of them the other day, and actually I gave them to my neighbor because it was hot and I didn't feel like cooking them. And she said she'd like to have some for supper. They were huge, as big as my fist. And it's only the 17th of July. If you like these kind of videos, say so below. And I'll try to share my learning and tips on gardening as I go.